Affiliate marketing versus dropshipping. Enter the world of affiliate marketing and dropshipping, two popular paths to e-commerce success. How affiliate marketing works. Enrolling in an affiliate program. You can use the special tracking links or codes that this program gives in their advertisements. Product or service promotion. You can use a variety of platforms including blogs, websites, social media, email newsletters, and YouTube videos to advertise the merchant's goods and services. How dropshipping works. Establishing an online store. The dropshipper lists products from suppliers in an online store they construct, typically utilizing an e-commerce platform. Locating providers. The dropshipper looks for providers who are prepared to dropship their goods. Listing products. The dropshipper includes prices, photos, and descriptions of the products from the suppliers in their online store. Customer places an order. The dropshipper receives the order information and money from the customer who orders a product from the dropshipper's online store. Key differences between affiliate marketing and dropshipping. Affiliate marketing. Business model. Business model. Affiliates use a variety of platforms including blogs, websites, social media, email marketing, and more to advertise goods and services. Inventory management. Product fulfillment and inventory management are not tasks that affiliates must perform. Dropshipping. Business model. Dropshippers are responsible for choosing what to offer and maintaining connections with suppliers that take care of shipping and inventory. Inventory management. Dropshipping is creating an online store and offering goods to clients without keeping stock on hand. Which model is right for you? Factors to consider. Affiliate marketing. Initial investment. Low. Inventory management. Not required. Customer service. Not responsible. Control. Limited control. Scalability. Limited. Risk. Low. Skills. Marketing, content creation, SEO, relationship building, etc. Factors to consider dropshipping. Initial investment. Moderate. Inventory management. Not required. Customer service. Responsible. Control. More control. Scalability. Unlimited. Risk. High. Skills. Marketing, product selection, customer service, SEO. Successful online income-generating options for budding entrepreneurs are provided by dropshipping and affiliate marketing. For more information, click the link in the description.